Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we're heading to Barker Motorcycle Systems for the possible development and then later possible install of my very own custom exhaust system for my Triumph Street Triple RX. Stay tuned. There you go guys, thanks to Claire at Barker Motorcycle Systems. If you want to check them out, check the links in the description below. Now we've got to just comb through some of the details and then hopefully get the show on the road. Remember, if you like this video, click that like button, subscribe to the channel for more to come, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah.